Creating a business plan is essential for any entrepreneur looking to start or grow a business. Here's a quick guide on how to write business plan. Introduction: start with an executive summary, briefly outlining your business idea, target market, unique selling proposition, and financial goals. Business description: provide a detailed overview of your business, including its mission, vision, and values. Describe your products or services, target customers, and the problem you're solving. Market analysis: conduct thorough market research to understand your industry, competitors, and target market demographics. Analyze market trends, customer needs, and potential growth opportunities. Marketing and sales strategy: outline your marketing and sales tactics to attract and retain customers. Define your pricing strategy, distribution channels, promotional activities, and sales projections. Operational plan: detail how your business will operate on a day-to-day basis. Describe your production process, supply chain management, facilities, equipment, and staffing needs. Management and organization: introduce your management team and organizational structure. Highlight key roles and responsibilities, as well as any strategic partnerships or advisory boards. Financial projections: your business plan is like a map guiding your journey. Keep it fresh by updating it as your business evolves. A well-crafted plan not only steers your success, but also attracts investors and partners,